you're looking for some cheap, bulky yarn, I'll show you how to do it from one regular ball of size 4 worsted weight acrylic. This is great for making your own bulky yarn or also tripling your strands of yarn, so turning one strand into 3 and just using one ball of yarn instead of opening up and starting 3 balls at the same time. They can get tangled and it can be a little bit awkward. So find the center of your ball and lay out 3 strands as wide as you can. So there's 3 strands and my tail is right here. So this is going to be the tail of my yarn, just like normal. And I'm going to make a slip knot. So here's my tail. I'm going to make a slip knot like I normally would. You can make your slip knot any which way you normally do. And pop that onto your hook and start your crochet project, whatever it is. I'm just going to chain for mine. And you're just going to do whatever stitch you need to do until your loop is smaller. And then put your 2 fingers through, grab the strand from your working yarn, and bring a longer loop through. So I'm just bringing a long loop like that. And you can pull that loop as big as you like. So now we have our 3 strands, and now keep chaining again, or whatever stitch you're doing for your crochet project. And again, when your loop gets smaller, go ahead, put your 2 fingers through, or your thumb and your finger, so you can pinch that yarn. Pinch the yarn that's coming from your ball, your working yarn, and just pull out as much as you can. Usually I do my full arm span. Just like that, so I can keep crocheting for quite a while before I have to pull again. So that's how you can turn a regular ball of worsted weight acrylic into a really cheap and easy bulky yarn, or triple up your yarn. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and stay hooked.